Next, we will discuss about aggregate functions. So aggregate functions. So these are the aggregate functions available in PostgreSQL. So count will return number of rows. Count of column is count of non-null values. Sum total sum, average average of the values, minimum value, maximum value, string aggregated, boolean and or array aggregation, JSON aggregation. Okay, so we will discuss with examples, then only you can easily understand. So first of all, count. So select from EMP group by. These are the aggregate functions. So for aggregate functions, we have to use group by class. So I am taking department number, and count of star. So it will count department wise. Okay, it will give the count department wise. And sum of sal and average of sal and minimum of sal, maximum of sal. Is there any functions? Yes. Okay. So see this. Count number of employees per department and sum total salary for department wise, and department wise average salary. That means average salary means sum of salary divided by count, that is average salary, minimum salary, maximum salary. Okay, and count count of commission. So see, in department 30 we have 6 members, and commission, if I give commission, see this table, employee table, some of the records are having commission as null. Okay, so this, if you give column to the count function, then it will return not null values only. Okay, that means not null values count only it will return. So here, see here, for department number 10, all employees are having commission as null. For department number 20, all employees are having commission null. Coming to the department number 30, some of the employees are having commission 500, 300, 1400. Okay, and remaining, and some of one employee is having 0. Okay, remaining 2 members are having null, 0. This is null, and yeah, here also null. So that's why it is displaying like that. Only 4 members are having commission, either 0 or some amount. That's why this column return 4, and remaining departments it is written as 0. Okay, it will not consider. And next one is string aggregates. Concatenate strings with delimiter. String aggregate of ename, function string does not String aggregate does not exist. No function matches the given name argument as you might need to explicit typecast. Shit, it is not displaying. Yes, I think it is expecting one parameter, one more parameter, which is used to separation. Yes. So string aggregation. So string aggregation is used to concatenate the string with delimiter. So I forgot to give delimiter. That's why it is not accepting. Okay. So you can give any symbol like pipe symbol. Okay. So like that. And next one is Boolean and or we will discuss after this array aggregate, JSON aggregate. And next one is array aggregate of ename. See, so list of employee names will be displayed in flower brackets object. Okay, and JSON aggregate ename. See, in array format, square brackets. Okay, and if I give JSON underscore aggregate like this. Okay. Next one is Boolean and or. So for this, I want to take one example table, sal grade. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 records are there. So I'm going to add one column name to that table, sal grade, active, and here Boolean, and here true. Default value is true. Save it. And now check all are true. Okay. Now, so we have 3 Boolean functions. Okay, 2 Boolean functions, Boolean and Boolean are true if all values are true. True if any value is true. Okay, so if I give these two functions here, boolean underscore and of active, boolean data type column is active, and boolean underscore or of active. See, both are true. Why? Because all records are having true. Okay, so and formula is or if true, if all values are true. Boolean or is true if any value is true. Okay, so here I am writing one update statement. Update shall grade set active equal to false, where grade equal to 1, grade equal to 5. See this? So I am updating this grade 5 value as false. Okay, then see this. So here output should be boolean and function returns false. Why? Because here all values are not true. One value is false, and boolean or output value is true, because if any one value is true, then it will return true. That is the definition of boolean or. See, it will return boolean and function return false. Why? Because one value is false. Boolean or function returns true because at least one value is true. Okay, so this is about boolean and boolean or functions. Okay.